Welcome to the award-winning community of Wesley Chapel, Summerstione, Florida. Nestled in this vibrant neighborhood is a stunning 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom upgrade house that epitomizes luxury living. Step inside to discover an open floor plan that seamlessly blends elegance with functionality. The kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample pantry space. Ceramic tile flooring graces the wet areas, adding a touch of sophistication to every corner of the home. As you make your way through the house, you'll be drawn to the breathtaking backyard oasis. Imagine lounging in the shade of the covered lanai, surrounded by lush greenery and serene views.Entertain guests or simply unwind in this private sanctuary. But the delights of this community extend far beyond the boundaries of the home.Residents have access to a plethora of amenities, including a sparkling pool, playground, cabana, and half-basketball court. Whether you're seeking relaxation or recreation, there's something for everyone right at your doorstep. Convenience is key in this sought-after location. With restaurants, shopping malls, grocery stores, hospitals, and major highways just minutes away, everything you need is within easy reach. Don't miss this opportunity to experience the epitome.